Do yourself, sir. Alright. So, you, eh, it not going good. Whoa. Wonder what's the problem. Whoa, but you see, I put a smile on your face now. See, a fake smile, a fake smile. Oh, God. I pray that your day will be much, much better than now, though. Yeah. Yeah, people, you know, say you're boy X Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, say we do a vlog today at Port Antonio. And we're right here at Bryant's Bay. You understand what I say? And today we are going to vlog Bryant's Bay and show you the new development while going to Bryant's Bay. Got a lot of new store and new plaza there, Bryant's Bay and things. So if you're interested in content like this, do remember to subscribe and please give the video a thumbs up. Yeah man, forward me to show you how I'm going. Bam. Alright guys, so coming from Norwich. Alright, so I'm showing you the area. Alright, so this is the sign. You pass one little bridge behind you. Alright, so here so now you have the sign. So welcome to Bryant's Bay. Alright. Alright, turn around the camera. Alright, over to your right now. You can see a sign over there. Say Western Total Farm Supply. I'm gonna go over there and see what that plaza all about. But in the meanwhile, just stick around to this vlog. Over here, so now you have the beautiful beach side. I guess this is Bryant's Bay beach area. I see the sign here to people. Yeah, Bryant's Bay Beach. Why people, may I tell you now? It's a nice chill area right here. Very nice chill area. Very, very nice. Alright, so the plaza that say wholesale and rental, I'm gonna go over there now. How to find it? It's right before you reach the gas station. The Total gas station right over there. It's right next to it before you reach it. So I'm gonna cross the road now and go over there, show you what's going on from over there. Hopefully I can get to talk to somebody that's working there. But these people, they're so shy when it comes on to the camera. So I doubt it if nobody will go and talk. I'm gonna just show you the place around. I'm gonna see what I'm going. It look like basically it is a hardware. Not hardware, it's a farm store. Yeah man, it's a farm store. Over here convenient to people. Wanna see it convenient, man? Whole heap of parking spot and all this. I tell you, say the town a move, you know. I done here at the town now. Yeah man, it a move. Everything that done that be. Yeah man. Alright people, so we at what place name again? What here's the name again? Eastern Total Supply. Alright, and it is a farm store. So I'm gonna show you around what they have in here. So basically, what are these called again, sir? What are these, sir? Spray pan, yeah. They have some nice spray pan, people. 8,990. And this is less than $100 in US. It's about $80 in US. Yeah people, so I said earlier, this is a nice spray pan, 8,990 Jamaican dollar. They even sell dog feeding also, as you can see what going on. When you sell it by the pound, right? Yeah. How much a pound? Okay. Nice. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, people say it's a good look. Farming and everything, feeding. So you can come right here and get everything. You don't have to go in the town. Then sell fertilizers. What them thing I do? Chemical?
Yeah.
Oh, Glyphos. Paraquat.
Yes. 2 more.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, going in here is very convenient and nice. So next time when you visit Port Antonio, remember to stop here before you reach night town. Because you can get everything in the store here. Yeah, then sell everything we got to do with farm. Alright guys, so we're approaching to the gas station. And I noticed that this is one of the best gas station before you reach in the town. Yeah, the prices for this gas station is very, very affordable. Alright, so right here now, they have a JPS electrical charging system. It's a good look, people. See that, people? A very convenient gas station right there. They even have an ice machine. I'm gonna show you the ice machine. Yeah, ice machine right there. Yeah, I'm just doing a vlog. Yeah, you're not in there, man. Alright, people, so as me show now, we can go inside right here and buy anything we want to buy. So, young lady, you work here? Because I saw you come in a while ago, so I was wondering if you work here.
I don't work here, sir.
How do yourself,
That's not a good day.
Alright. So,
Because yesterday I really looked. But still I come to go. I'm going to go.
your day not going good? Whoa. Wonder what's the problem? Whoa, but you see, see I put a smile on your face now. See a fake smile, a fake smile.
Yeah.
Oh God. I pray that your day will be much, much better than now though. Yeah. Alright people, so we're leaving the gas station. And we're gonna check out another plaza that is next to the gas station.